Hello everyone and welcome back to Playing with Palettes, the part of the show where Katie comes out and plays with palettes. Today we're going back into the My Little Pony palette from ColourPop. Yay! So as I try to figure out how this camera should be framed, we're going to put on some NYX eyeshadow primer. That didn't quite work, so reframe! First things first, eyeliner. That's right, I said eyeliner. Gonna use this NYX Jumbo pencil in Purple Velvet. Start out by working it just into the lash line. Get that nice and filled in without any gaps. And then we'll wing it out a bit, just following the curve of the bottom part of your eye. Just make a little flick out, as long as you want it. And then we're going to drag that on in towards the inner corner in sort of a wing, though I wouldn't really call it a wing. It's more of a cat eye, and we're not worrying too much about being precise. Just make it messy, because it's all going to get covered up by eyeshadow anyway. I mean, not completely. You know what I mean. And once you're happy with the shape, just kind of fill it in. Make sure you're not seeing any gaps, and maybe smudge it out a little bit. Ooh, we're getting sultry up in here. Look at those wings, sharp enough to kill a man. Just kidding. So let's dip into that palette. I'm going to take this Pro Tapered blending brush from Beauty Junkies and go into Flutterby for our transition shade. So we'll start that there on the outside, right where that cat eye ended, and just sweep it through the crease. Windshield wiper motions. Just kind of getting it everywhere as a nice transition shade just to blend out everything else. Next we'll take this Coastal Scents medium synthetic shader brush and dip it into the shade Minty. And this we're going to pack on over the whole lid up to the crease. And then build it up until you've got the color payoff that you're looking for. And then we'll use that Beauty Junkies brush again to blur out the harsh edges. So let's pick up that jumbo eye pencil again, and this time we're just going to concentrate it along the lash line just to deepen it up and give it some more definition. And then we'll take it along the lower lash line about 2/3 of the way in and make sure to connect it to the cat eye. Finally, we're just going to take what's left over on that shader brush and smudge it along the lower lash line, just using the tip of the brush. Okay, so I lied when I said finally. Dip your pinky finger into Firefly, and we're going to put that in our inner corners. Top it off with some mascara, e.l.f.'s volumizing and defining mascara in this case. And maybe get a little on your nose while you're at it. And then get really frustrated trying to take it off and realize it doesn't matter because you're about to put your glasses back on. So there you have it, folks. A nice fun cat eye look with some hot pink and a little raw spot on your nose. It's wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or anything, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye!